cool.
There's it, let him out.
How would you think this mouth chrono at?
Why don't y'all leave the premises for
How would you think this mouth chrono at?
Yes! Make sure it's not on the field though.
Is this thing on? How would you think that mouth chrono at?
By the cars and all the windows.
I mean, it's kind of working.
I don't want to get fluid in my face. I smell dirt. You made a really nice line.
It's a smiley face.
It's a smiley face. Here, just give it another eye.
Aren't we? Oh.
Yeah, I know. No, you guys feel those itches on you too? Oh! Did I didn't get you? I really don't know. Okay, you probably got me.
Oh, you
Yeah.
Those are like 4-8. Those are like 4-8.
Oh no!
You see that throw it on.
You good, man? You good?
8, 7, 6. Oh, I hit It appears the pace is slow. Blue team has the flag!
Ah. Good shit, good shit.
The sign you're on both sides now. Oh!
Harlan, you up?
Right there. All out in a snowball fight.
Yeah, watch right, watch right.
Oh, double hit.
Stand here, window. Yeah, beautiful. Oh. I know, I found a chair. Yep. Dude, this LMG shit is easy. I've gotten 3 kills like this. Here, hold on, let me post up on the branch. Hi! You shooting a little on me? Yeah? If I answer honestly, are you going to shoot me again? I don't know, what color would save my life? Can I at least put my phone up real quick? Sorry, I've been sitting here for so long, I was going to play Subway Surfers. I'm not? You hit all the branches around me? Are you fucking serious? Sorry! Huh? Huh? Oh! I'm dead, I promise I'm dead. My mag got jammed! Ah, that stinks. See, now it doesn't jam. Now it doesn't jam. But when I'm surrounded by a bunch of blue guys.
Yeah.
Hmm?
I don't think I'm
Fox, to your right, Harlan.
Okay, brother. Hell, brother.
Nice. Okay, brothers.
Hell, brother.
Yeah.
Don't get him out. I just watch the long angle on that.
I'm behind cover.
Oh, howdy! You felt those? Sorry. What do you want to do?
Catch her?
Hmm? Dude, do you think you can get it into village and like put it in panda or something and hold an angle? Yeah, I got it. Alright, escort. This is our payload. Harlan, what do you think? Set up on this door and watch that angle? Huh? You get a pic? Chair. Hey boss, I'm telling you right now, your gun's not shooting anything. Harlan, that window right now. He's dry firing, but I don't want him to wait till he figures out how to shoot. Your gun shooting now?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yep. Nathan, move!
When are you ready? Weapons out, that's already! 3, 2, 1, go! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!